We're now in a world where most homes and businesses rely on computers. So what should you do when it's time to sell or recycle your old equipment? Because nobody wants personal info to be dug up on their old PC, right? And simply hitting delete or resetting doesn't guarantee your data is actually gone. But relax. RedKey is the solution you need to wipe any computer 100% safely and securely. It looks like an ordinary USB stick, but it's completely different. It's designed to erase data, not store it. Simply plug it into your computer before startup and initiate the wipe with the easy-to-use system that's embedded into the key. Stop worrying about that old PC or Mac that's taking up valuable space. Order a RedKey USB now, and your data will truly be gone forever.
Lights have taken thousands of forms, but this is unlike any light you've ever seen before. Introducing Lightformer X10 from Convertolite. Lightformer was designed to be the world's most adaptable work light. Grab it like a regular flashlight, extend the legs, and set it anywhere you want to command light. The head can be positioned to provide precise light at any angle in every direction. Plug it in using the USB rechargeable port to keep Lightformer working as long as you are. At your desk, in the car, anywhere you travel, Lightformer is ready with over 3 hours of powerful LED light off a single charge. But a sleek personal light isn't enough. Lightformer is a favorite among the hardest working Americans. Snap the magnetic base to anything metal when you need both of your hands. Dropped a screw? Lightformer also has a magnetic head to simultaneously illuminate and pick up whatever you drop. For use at your desk, in the home, at the work site, in the shop, or even on the side of the road, let Lightformer X10 bring renewable light to everything you do. Make Lightformer your next source of renewable light for work, play, and unplanned events. Once you use it, you'll want to show it to everyone you know. The greatest evolution in portable light is here. Give Lightformer as a great gift for any occasion. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to include yourself in the next generation of personal light.
Whether you travel for pleasure or business, convenience is key. That being said, packing your essentials and staying organized for a trip can be a tedious task. Being an avid traveler myself, I know airports can prove to be stressful if you aren't prepared. Having my essentials in different pockets is time-consuming and a hassle, especially at the security checkpoint. We've created over 20 prototypes with world-class designers to elegantly solve this common problem. In the process, we have redefined the passport holder. Introducing the world's first smart passport wallet by Skylight Inc., the ultimate travel accessory. Featuring over 10 innovative functions, including a built-in super slim power bank with fast charging and enough power to keep your device fully charged twice. A 3-in-1 charging cable compatible with any smartphone, LED indicator to let you know how much power is left in the power bank, a premium ballpoint pen for filling out customs forms and travel documents, plus an elastic headphone holder. Most importantly, a secure place to keep your passport, boarding pass, IDs, cards, and cash. All of this is protected by an anti-theft RFID blocking liner, so you can travel the world with peace of mind.
Now, we solved a number of problems with our product and have done everything we can do to make our idea a reality. And now
we need your help. Now, when you back our campaign, you'll be the very first to receive the Skylight Smart Passport holder. And by reaching our funding goal, we have enough to go out and make our minimum purchase order. This allows us to make it as affordable as possible for you. This will allow you to go out with your smart passport and enjoy your travel stress-free. Now grab yours today and capture the moments on your next adventure. Thank you so much for backing our project, spreading the word, and showing your support. It means so much to us, and thank you.
Introducing STEMoscope, an advanced stethoscope designed with STEM education and recreations in mind. Very affordable, compact, easy to use, and with rich features through an app. Traditionally, a stethoscope has to be used, and it is quite cumbersome and lacks features such as visualizing these insightful and engaging sounds and recording them for studies and sharing. We set out not only to overcome all these deficiencies, but to add portability, ease of use, and rich features to make listening to these engaging sounds a fun, informative, and entertaining experience. Turn on the STEMoscope, start the app, press listen, and you can start to hear the sounds of life. Just place the STEMoscope where you are interested and start to listen. Now, let's listen to some sound samples STEMoscope recorded. Earphones are needed because the built-in speaker in your smart device is not good at playing bass sounds. Simply put the STEMoscope over the heart. You can hear the lub-dub heart sounds. If you have a blood pressure monitor, you may listen to the blood pressure sounds. Traditionally, blood pressure is measured with a cuff and a stethoscope, and the stethoscope is used to detect the sounds of blood flow during cuff deflation, so-called Korotkoff sounds. If you have a pet, you may communicate with him or her by listening to and learning from his or her heart. You may choose to have your pet wear it so that your pet can move freely when you listen. If you are a new mom, you may record your heartbeats and play them to your baby. Your baby may enjoy them because these are the sounds your baby enjoyed when he or she was still in the womb. Trees create rich songs too. Listening to trees can reveal the connections between us and nature. Place a STEMoscope on a tree trunk and you may hear a quiet popping sound while the tree is drinking water from its roots. Or a rumbling noise can be heard when a tree moves and vibrates. With advanced audio signal processing that rivals those in a professional digital stethoscope, the STEMoscope lets you rediscover you and the world around you from a fun and informative digital listening experience. Record your womb sounds for your baby. Hear the voice of your backyard tree with your kids. Feel the heartbeats of your loved ones and your pets. Or simply modify your voice for fun. Unlimited fun, information, and education from STEMoscope. Hello, STEMoscope.
Hello, STEMoscope.
Hello, STEMoscope.
What's up, Kickstarter? We're really happy to see you. Oh, camera 2? What's up, guys?
Sphero's mission is to inspire the creators of tomorrow. We've been making robots for years, 7 or 8 years now, and we've learned a lot of cool lessons about how to make a robot and why to make a robot.
Over the last 8 years, we've been building robots for all sorts of different audiences. We've got tons of feedback from people, and so we finally decided we're going to build the robot for the people, and this is that robot. Rover is our latest programmable, customizable robot, and it's our most complete, most refined, and most capable robot ever.
Rover is an out-of-the-box robotic platform. It comes along with all this stuff just built in, things like driving and sensors that you can just start on immediately. But the thing that makes it special is it's super expandable.
What's super unique about Rover is we put in a UART expansion port, which opens it up in a way that we've never made available before.
Rover is Sphero's first platform that allows students and makers to be able to hardware hack.
If you've ever messed with a Raspberry Pi or an Arduino or a microbit, you can put that onto Rover and make that project mobile. Rover works with our Sphero EDU app. You get the rich experience of our community and our EDU ecosystem.
You don't have to assemble anything. You can start coding right away.
You get a complete polished product, and then you've got the ability to expand and build it into anything you want. It's got all-terrain capabilities. We've got high torque motors with a high gear ratio, which allows it to go fast, but also allows it to go really accurate at slow speeds.
If something disrupts the treads, or if one tank tread moves at a different speed than the other, they'll still go in the heading that you originally intended, which is something unique for tank-treaded vehicles.
The driving experience is unlike anything you've ever seen before.
We worked really diligently to make sure this gearbox was robust. We made sure every single gear tooth would be able to withstand mulch or rocks.
We have infrared communication that you can use to talk to other robots, other rovers, or even our bolts, so they can send messages to each other, play tag.
We've got an ambient light sensor inside, so it can detect, different light values and behave differently.
Rover includes a 4600 milliamp hour battery, rechargeable via USB-C.
We knew this is first and foremost a tool, and you need to be able to swap out a battery in a tool.
Underneath, there's a color sensor, which allows you to detect the color value that it's driving over and write programming based on what color it detects. It's got full 9-axis IMU, so we've got gyro, accelerometer, magnetometer.
This is the platform I've been waiting for. It has the accuracy, the precision, the durability, the SDK, the low latency communication. It has everything you need to actually accomplish your mission. Don't just move around, but go do something.
Everything from the gear ratio to the clearance underneath to how you hold it, how you interact with it has been thought through.
We didn't just choose the cheapest option, we chose the right option.
We wanted it to have personality and be approachable and draw people in.
There are a lot of competitor products that are really cool bots, but you have to do a ton of work to get it up and running. Or it's super easy to get up and running, but then it doesn't do that much. The thing we're really trying to do is make something that right out of the gate you can get started, but you can kind of keep going with it for a long time.
Rover is built for you guys. We want the hackers and the makers and the students out there to take it and make the coolest projects out there and help inspire us.
Get a Rover. It's awesome. I am getting a Rover. Probably more than one. You should also do that.
Don't you want one of these? Rover, you're so beautiful.
Help us get the best looking robot in the world to market.
I'm hoping that people enjoy it and use it in all sorts of ways that I never expected.
Thank you so much for checking this out, and we look forward to seeing what you guys do with Rover.